Hey guys, this is Jamie at DeerBunny Farm, and this is my sister.
Hey, I'm Paige, and this is my kitchen.
Today we're going to make goat milk soap scented with lavender essential oils and lavender fragrance oils.
Cool.
Don't touch the soap. Don't touch the soap.
So we already have our oils in there. This is a blend of canola oil, coconut oil, sustainably sourced palm oil, and sunflower oil. And here's our goat milk. We're gonna add that directly to the oils. I think I might be the only goat milk soap YouTube person.
Trailblazer.
Yeah, who actually does it this method, but this method is way easier than the ice cubes and the mixing the lion and all of that stuff. So we do it this way. Okay, this is my 50-50 lye water. I already have, okay, so the lye water is half and half, and then the milk amount is half of this. So we've got a third lye, a third water, and a third milk as my liquid component. Adding to my oils.
Why make a lavender scent?
Because it's spring, and lavender is a nice spring scent. Now I normally do, I always carry lavender, or at least I try to, but I normally carry a lavender sage blend. It's a little more green scented instead of having that like the floral. So it's just a little less floral, and for springtime, we're just gonna floral it up. Lavender is one of my favorite flowers, I guess you'd say, especially English lavender, but it's also really awesome for your skin, so why not? Okay, as you can see, I poured off some of my white soaps into this mold, and now we're gonna we're gonna wing it and make some purple. And I don't know exactly what color we're gonna mix up yet, so you're gonna find out. This color is called eggplant, I think. And we're just gonna use all the rest of it and see. I'm still gonna add some purple vibrance because it makes it look nicer. All right, I like that color. You'll notice that we haven't added the fragrance oils yet, and that is because lavender, most florals speed up trace really quickly. So I don't want to add lavender essential oil until all my colorants are mixed in, or else I am risking that I won't ever be able to blend in my colors. I'm putting away my stick blender because that will also accelerate the lavender in my soap batter. So I'm just gonna make sure that all of this is stirred in really well and evenly. And then we're gonna stir in our oils. We're gonna do what's called a drop swirl, which is exactly how it sounds. It is when we just plop different colors in. Sometimes if I think that the swirl isn't gonna look good, I will take like a skewer and I'll just go floop, 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 floop and spin it around in there, and it makes the swirl a little more interesting. So,
what do you do?
Take a skewer and go floop, 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 floop. Yep, I don't know what this is.
That's a metal straw.
Can I
save the turtles?
Can I use it to swirl my soap?
Will it wash out?
It's soap.
Yeah, but I drink out of that.
Yeah, well, I would hope that it is able to be washed with soap, Paige.
Okay. Fine.
I'm good with that. Are you good with that?
Beautiful.
I'm good with that. So we're gonna stick it in the fridge.
Purple's my favorite color.
Still?
Yeah.
Can you smell it? It smells like lavender.
Yeah, that's exactly what it smells like. We are going to unmold, which means we're gonna take it out of this box. And who are you guys?
I'm Eliza, and that little baby is Levi.
Right. Oh.
It's falling.
Ta-da!
Why do we have to use the wind?
This keeps the soap from hurting the wood. You did really help me. Making a video of us. This is what Mommy does for work.
So you did it when we were in your belly?
No, well, I did this when Levi was in my belly. I've been doing it since before Levi was born. But not before you were born. We didn't even have goats when you were born.
Mm-hmm.
We got them when you were a baby. Levi? Look at, isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Wow. Is that still light?
Ooh, look at those swirls in there.
Wow. The baby is noisy.
anyone gets little fingerprints in their soap,
No.
it's your fault. Because you put
No.
fingerprints on it.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get ready. Thanks. We're gonna get ready to cut it. Okay?
Yeah. Now?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep. We're gonna cut it with that. Okay, we're back to start cutting the soap. Let's see what the inside of these soaps look like.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Levi Thomas. Okay, ready?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to check out any of the soaps that we make on our channel, our website is DeerBunny Farm, as well as our Facebook and our Instagram and our Pinterest. If you'd like to, like and subscribe.
Hi, little camera. Hi, little